Welcome to solverfy.
For the rocks which are found, let's say this is Earth, found on the surface of the Earth, having a traces amount of radioactive material, the heat generated from these minerals, they go into the surroundings and cool down. Whereas in the deep Earth interior here, Earth interior, it is surrounded by the other rocks, so the heat is built up in the interior of the Earth. Therefore, we do not find warm rocks on the surface of the Earth.